Best apps to send money with credit card, low fees. You're in a hurry. You need to send money maybe across the country, maybe across the world, and all you have is a credit card. The problem? Most apps charge ridiculously high fees for card payments. But what if I told you there are several reliable apps that let you send money with your credit card without draining your wallet? In this video, we're diving into the top 3 best apps to send money using your credit card in 2025. Low fees, fast transfers, global reach. Let's go. Number 3. Remitly. If you're sending money international, especially to Latin America, Asia, or Africa, is a powerhouse. Accepts credit cards, low upfront fees, fast delivery options, including bank deposits, mobile wallets, cash pickup at thousands of locations. With credit card payments, you'll typically pay a small fee, often around 2-3%, depending on destination and amount. But here's the hack. Use Remitly's Express option with a credit card and your money could arrive within minutes. Perfect for emergencies or last-minute support. It's available in over 100 countries and their customer service is top-notch. If you value speed, simplicity and reliability, is a solid choice. Number 2. PaySend. PaySend has exploded in popularity thanks to one thing: ultra-low flat fees. Unlike other services that take a percentage of your transfer, PaySend charges a fixed fee, no matter the amount, typically around £1 or $2. And yes, they accept credit card transfers. Whether you're sending to a bank account or even direct to a card in another country, PaySend is smooth and efficient. Their app is slick, user-friendly, and offers real-time exchange rates, instant delivery for many countries, full cost transparency before you hit send. Pro tip: if you send money regularly to the same person or country, PaySend makes resending a breeze. It's one of the cheapest ways to use your credit card for international transfers without compromise on speed. Number 1. Wise, formerly TransferWise. Topping our list, Wise. Why? Because when it comes to honest fees and transparent rates, no one beats them. Wise is one of the most trusted platforms for global money transfers, and yes, you can use a credit card. What makes Wise different? They give you the real exchange rate, no hidden markups. Credit card payments come with a small upfront fee, clearly shown before you pay. Most transfers arrive within 24 hours, often faster. The app is sleek, intuitive, and shows exactly how much your recipient will get. Wise is especially great for larger transfers, recurring payments, people who care about fee transparency and speed. The only catch? Wise doesn't support cash pickup, so your recipient needs a bank account. But if they do, it's the most cost-effective way to send money with a credit card. Bonus tip: when using a credit card to send money, always check if your card issuer treats the payment as a purchase or a cash advance. Cash advances often trigger higher interest rates. Use cards that offer cashback or travel points to maximize benefits. Final thoughts. Let's recap. For speed and reach, go with Remitly. For low fixed fees, PaySend wins. For best rates and full transparency, Wise is unbeatable. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your needs and your recipients. Have you used any of these apps before? Which one gave you the best experience? Drop it in the comments below. And if this guy helped you save time or money, leave a like so more people can find it. Please note that this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional or financial advice.